Okay, go to the HISD website and then come over here and click Canvas. It should go directly to your dashboard. Then in your dashboard, you should have a curriculum guide course. Click on that. And then over here on the side are your old options from the hub. So if you're looking for digital resources or whatever was in Clever, click on digital resources. It'll ask you to open a new tab. And then now it looks back to like it looked in Clever. Click here like you used to. I'm at home, so it's going to make me go through all these steps. And then Clever should open up like that. And you should see all of the digital resources that you already had. And so I forgot what you told me you were looking for, but if you had it before, it should all be here. Okay, let me know if this works or doesn't work.